How can I prevent underfitting in AI pattern recognition? Imagine trying to recognize faces in a crowd but only looking at a few features like a color or hairstyle. You might miss important details that help identify someone. That's similar to what happens when an AI model underfits. It means the model is too simple to understand the patterns in the data. To fix this, you need to make sure your model is smart enough to catch the real relationships in the data without being too complicated. One way is to increase the model's complexity. If you are using a simple linear regression, try switching to polynomial regression or decision trees. These models can learn more intricate patterns. For example, adding polynomial features means creating new features like the square or cube of your existing data points. This helps the model fit curved or more complex relationships. Another step is to tune the model's hyperparameters. These are settings that control how complex the model can get. Using tools like grid search or randomized search, you can find the best settings that allow your model to learn more without overfitting. Data quality is also key. Make sure your training data is clean and large enough. If your data has a lot of noise or is too small, the model might not learn enough and underfit. Cleaning the data by removing errors and increasing the dataset size can help. Feature selection and engineering are also important. Pick the most relevant features that truly reflected the patterns you want the model to learn. Creating new features from existing ones can also help the model understand the data better. Lastly, training duration matters. Sometimes the model needs more time to learn. If it stops training too early, it might not capture the patterns fully. Increasing the training time can give it a better chance to learn. Think about how tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, or Midjourney work. They use complex models to recognize patterns in text or images. If these models are too simple, they won't generate accurate or creative outputs. By applying these strategies, you can help your AI recognize patterns more accurately and avoid underfitting.